So, good morning, one and all, and welcome to the virtual class. Today, we will see a new lesson in English, that is, be a good host and the guest. If you want to be arranged some kind of functions or the celebration party, so what is the duty to be a good host? And after that, if you play a role of the host, so what are the duties of the good host? And if you play the role of the guest, so what will be the duty of the guest? Okay. So we all have love to get together with our friends. We enjoy the favorite dishes. That means we all love to be a part in a party. Okay. You may have entertained parties or you may even have given some parties. Do you think make a good party? It's like a expensive clothes, fancy clothes, costly decorations, rich food, such kind of things you are able to see in a birthday party. All right. A good birthday party is where the host and the guest can both enjoy themselves. What is the actual meaning of a good birthday party? Where the host and the guest they both enjoy their company, get together. It should become a pleasant memory in the minds of all. Okay, now let us see that we can do to make sure that a party become memorable in such a good way. In such a good way. If you are the host, that means if you conduct the party, these are the few things that you should remember when you conduct your party. Okay, so if you want to be give a surprise birthday party for your grandparents, for your parents, that is a surprise birthday party, right? So first you have to be consult with your family members. All right, you have to be explain them that you want to be give a surprise birthday party to your grandpa. In our lesson, there is the example of the grandpa. You can give to be your loved one person your surprise party. Loved one person, that means your best friend, your parents, your brother, your sister. Okay, surprise birthday party आप किसी को भी दे सकते हो, right? So when you have to conduct, before that you have to be decide suitable time, date, place, menu. That means you have to make a short invitation card. All right. You have to be make a list of the friends, your relatives to whom you wish to invite it to that birthday party. You have to send the invitation cards also. Okay, you have to send the invitational cards. You may extend the invitations orally or you may send a written invitation. You can call your friends, okay, through the mobile you can call your friends, or else you can give a written invitation. It can be written invitation, that means it can be a formal or else it can be informal. Just like we have write a letter, just like we have write a letter, formal letter writing or informal letter writing, so in that way you can write a formal invitation or the informal invitation. Okay, so who is inviting? Okay, the occasion why you are giving the party, that things you have to mention in the invitation card. When and where it will be held, the proper place, day, date, time, everything should be maintained in that invitation card. Now, next thing is what? Consult your parents and decide the menu. You have to consult with your parents and decide the menu, that what we should be kept as a food to give to our guest. Okay, because the food really guest will enjoy and they remember the and they remember if you serve a good food in front of the guest. Okay, do you remember the story of the fox and the crane? Okay, in that story the fox be a good host and concern to his guest and give them a nice food. This is a story about the fox and crane which you must have heard since your childhood. Okay. And then after, you have to be chalk out program. Will you begin with games or music? Okay. When will food be served? After the food will serve, you have to be put a games. Okay. For before only you have to decide it what kind of games I have to be kept on your birthday party. Okay, कौन से games होने चाहिए? The games is like there are so many different types of games. Musical game, whispering game, pin the tail on the donkey games. So it's up to you. You have to decide it. Okay, you have to be decided what kind of decoration I have to do in my birthday party. Once you have planned, have details, you can work out how the various tasks can be done. Okay, who will help you to do each of them? So you can take your parents' help, you can take your friends' help to complete your work on the time. Now, let me see what will be happen during the party. That means the actual date will come. Now the birthday celebration is going on. You must be ready before the guest. Okay, you must be ready before the guest. Because why you need to be ready? Because you have to welcome to our guest. Your decoration, food preparation should be ready before the guest arrive. Before all the arrangements should be completed, you must greet all your guests when they arrive. That means a warm welcome to your guest. Entertain your guest. If they don't know one another, you must introduce them. If because there are the different kinds of people you invited, okay, maybe the guests are not knowing to each other, so you have to be introduce them. You should see that all your guests are comfortable and happy during the parties going on. You should serve the food to everyone. You should serve the food politely, making sure that everyone is served what they want, what is their desire to eat the food. Okay, if you are holding party games, so make sure that everyone get a chance to participate and enjoy the games. Okay, here here are some common party games we have. That is, for example, musical chairs, whisper. Okay, charas is there, and that is then hot and cold, that means the guessing games. There are different types of games. Pin the tail on the donkey, then after treasure hunt games. The all the important games you can put during your birthday celebration for entertainment to your guest. Okay. See that everyone get a written gifts and say bye and thanks them, because birthday celebration is going on, they will give you a gift. So when the party is over, a written time, you have to give them a written gift also. Okay, and thanks them that they are participate in your birthday celebration. Okay, and then after the party, what you have to do. Now here the birthday celebration is completed. When it's a time for the guests to leave, you should say goodbye to each them personally. So most important of all, after the birthday celebration, you have to start cleaning up and help to each other. Okay. So birthday party celebration is over. Now it's a time to clean your home. Okay, and it is not responsible only your parents. It is responsibility your also to help your parents. Okay, to pick the plates and keep on the kitchen. You have to be sweep the room. Okay, do the dusting, throw the garbage in the dustbin. All right. So all the things you also can do it with your parents. Now, here we are talk only about the Now here only we talk about the as the duty of the host. Now it's a duty of the guest. What the guest have to do. Now here some tips for the guest. Now if you are arrange the birthday party, that means you are the host. But now if you are invited and you have to be attend another birthday party, so that means you are the guest now. Okay, so if you are the guest, so what you have to do, please acknowledge that you have received the invitation and let your host know whether or not you will attend the party. Okay, so you should be informed that yes, we will definitely come and be a part of your birthday party. Okay, if you're choosing a present for your host, that means if you're choosing a present for the birthday party, so think well about what he or she will like. A thoughtful gift is appreciated more than an expensive one. It's not like that you should be purchased a costly and expensive gift. You should be give a thoughtful gift, right? For example, if a small kid, a if you give them a bike, that is not a useful thing. Yeah, that is an expensive gift, but it is not a useful for the 8 years old child. If you give a 8 years old child a gift like a cycle, so that is the thoughtful and useful gift for that small child. So think in this way. Okay, and then after, remember to remove the price tag or label from the gift, because it is not polite that your host know how much you have spent on the gift. Then after, wrap the gift in such a good condition, if possible, decorate and wrapping yourself. Now, what you have to do on the day of the party as a guest, what you have to do, be punctual, reach in time for the party. If there is any work to be done, offer to help them. If the work is pending, offer to help them. Be friendly with the other guest also, because possibility you don't know about that the another guest. So be friendly with other the guests and try to get each other. Take part in the programs and the games if there are any willingly. Appreciate the food and decorations. Honestly, don't waste the food. Mostly kids are doing such kind of things. They are wasting the food. Don't waste the food. Take only as much as you want. When it is time for you to leave, approach your host and say goodbye. Because as a good host, at the end of the party, saying a goodbye to the host. Okay, and the good host also and the good host is also say goodbye to personally to each and every guest. Okay, later on, let your host later on let your host know either personally or in writing how much you enjoy the party. Okay, how much you enjoy the party, you should appreciate. Then after, success of the party should be measured by the goodwill and friendship it creates. Okay, be you a host or a guest, do all you can to boost it. You can do all it to boost it. All right. As birthday celebration, it will be done successfully if the host and the guest both are enjoying to each other company, then only. Okay, so this is all about today's lesson, that is be a good host and the guest, where we have seen what are the duties of be a good host and what you will do if you be a role of the guest.